In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Base44 in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll have Base44 connected and ready to use directly inside a ChatGPT conversation, so you can streamline your work without switching tabs. Start by opening ChatGPT in your browser and signing in. Once you're on the main screen, look down to the bottom left corner and click the profile icon. This opens a small menu where you can adjust your account and app options. From here, click Settings. The settings window is where you manage features and connections that extend what ChatGPT can do. Inside settings, select the apps section. This is your hub for installing and managing connectors. Click Add More to open the app directory. In the search bar, type Base4. When the Base4 listing appears, click it to open the app page. Here you'll see a brief description and a Connect button. Click Connect to begin linking your ChatGPT account with Base4. You'll be prompted to sign in with Base44. Continue through that flow, then click Allow to grant the requested permissions so ChatGPT can communicate with Base44 securely. If you ever want to review or remove access later, you can return to the apps area in Settings to manage the connection. With the connection complete, head back to your ChatGPT home and start a new chat. In the message box, click the plus icon to reveal available tools. Hover over More, then select Base44. This attaches Base44 to your message so the assistant can use it for your request. Now you're ready to type your prompt. Be specific about what you want ChatGPT and Base44 to do together. For example, ask to retrieve a particular data set, summarize recent activity, or generate an insight based on information available through your Base44 connection. Clear, action-oriented language helps the assistant choose the right operations. If the response indicates Base44 isn't active, make sure you selected it from the plus menu for that message, or refresh and confirm the connection is listed in Settings under Apps. A few quick tips as you work. Keep prompts concise but complete, include relevant timeframes or filters, and mention the exact outcome you need, like export, summary, or comparison. If your workflow spans multiple questions, continue in the same chat, so context is preserved. And remember, you should never paste private credentials or sensitive personal data into prompts. The connector handles access through the secure authorization you just completed. That's it. You've connected Base44, enabled it in a new chat, and issued your first prompt. With this setup, you can bring Base44's capabilities into your everyday ChatGPT conversations with just a click.